guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be just sitting here doing this red eye look with a little bit of gold in it. And like, I think this looks really, it looks really different than normally what I would normally wear on like a regular day. And yeah, I'm excited to show you all how I did this. So yeah, so keep on watching if you want to see this. So the first shade I'm going to be doing is Define Me, which is like the little orange one. And we're just going to go in on a dirty, R38 brush. And I'm using the Dare to Create palette, 39A palette. And we're basically going to do a halo eye effect on that like we did last time in my other video that I'll link down below. This is basically going to be our transitional color.
Cold, 'cause she has been here before. She doesn't cry anymore. No looking back. No, she doesn't go to the bar. Too many lovers she's scarred, and they want her back.
And then I'm going to be taking the same brush, and I'm going to be doing Vivid right here. Just doing that the same. We're just going to gradually sit there and go into my eyes, and we're going to, you know, gradually pick different oranges up. So this is darker than what we currently have.
She loves control. She wants it her way, and there's no way she'll ever stay unless you give it up. She loves control. She wants it her way, and all it takes is just one taste. You wanna give it up.
And then I'm going to be taking Vibrant on a R39 brush.
Bold. You know she lives for the thrill. You know she lasts for the kill. So they won't come back. No, 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 no. Don't you try taming the storm. Don't say you haven't been warned. 'Cause she won't like that, 'cause she loves control.
And then I'm going to be taking Snatched on an R34 brush right here. And mainly put that in the center.
She wants it her way, and there's no way she'll ever stay unless you give it up. She loves control. She wants it her way, and all it takes is just one taste. You wanna give it up, give it up, give it up. She loves control.
And then I'm going to be taking an R35 brush, and I'm going to be taking Create. Then I'm going to be taking Passion, and then Forever. And I'm basically just going to darken it up a little bit, just like a tiny bit on the sides, because I don't want it to be too like purpley undertone, but I think it would look really cute with this red to like darken it up somehow, but get the red in there. And then I'm going to be taking Liberace from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 24 Karat Pro Palette on an M224 brush, and then I'm just going to put that in the center of my eyes.
Hey, you know that it feels right. She loves control. She wants it her way, and there's no way she'll ever stay unless you give it up.
And then I'm just going to be taking Expression and putting that on an R35 brush. And just doing it on the outside to darken it up even more.
She loves control. She wants it her way, and all it takes is just one taste. You wanna give it up.
And then I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and I'm just going to go in my waterline, top and bottom, just so I can make the eyelashes come in more seamlessly. Seamlessly.
She loves control.
And then I'm going to be doing my eyelashes off of camera, so I'll be right back. And then I'm going to be taking Liberace, that golden toned one, and I'm just going to use that as my highlight today.
She wants it her way, and there's no way she'll ever stay unless you give it up. She loves control.
And then I'm going to be taking Wifey and putting that all over my lips.
She wants it her way, and all it takes is just one taste. You wanna give it up.
So here's the final look, and I did this like red tonals colors with like gold in the center, and I really like it because it makes my eyes, since I have blue eyes, it makes them pop a lot more. And then like a classic red lipstick, and I'm like, yeah, I really like this look, and I hope you guys will too. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also I made a new Instagram account which will be shown at the end and in the description. So yeah, if you all want to see any other makeup looks that I've done in the past or this past year so far, then I will leave the links down below. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day. Bye.